Hello viewers, this is Jubilee Saikia and you're watching My News Any. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will likely meet all party global outreach delegations of Operation Sindoor on 9th or 10th of this month. Here we are bringing you the full details. PM Modi to meet anti-terror delegation soon. 7 MP teams visited 33 countries. Delegations brief PM on global reactions. Panda-led group to meet Jaishankar tomorrow. Council of Ministers to meet June 4. Yes, viewers, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected to meet members of the multi-party delegations that were dispatched to 33 countries as part of India's diplomatic outreach following the Pahalgam terror attack and the launch of Operation Sindoor. The meeting is likely to take place in New Delhi on June 9 or 10. The delegations comprising members of parliament from across the political spectrum, senior political leaders and session diplomats were tasked with engaging the international community to present India's position and garner global support for its fight against terrorism. According to reports, the upcoming meeting will see the delegations brief the Prime Minister on key developments from their visits, including high-level meetings, strategic conversations and the response received from the various countries regarding the Pahalgam attack and India's border counter-terror efforts. In an unprecedented show of unity, the government sent 7 delegations overseas. Each was led by a prominent parliamentarian, Shashi Tharoor from Indian National Congress, Ravi Shankar Prasad from Bharatiya Janata Party, Sanjay Kumar Jha from Janata Dal United, Bajrang Panda from BJP, Kani Moji from Dravida Munnetra, Supriya Sule from Nationalist Congress Party, Shrikant Eknath Shinde from Shiv Sena. Reports stated that the Prime Minister would be apprised of not just the outcomes of these visits but also the tone and substance of global responses to India's message on terrorism, national security and regional stability. A delegation of MPs led by Bajrang Panda will meet External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar tomorrow at 2:30 p.m. to brief him about their visit. The delegation headed by Panda had visited Saudi Arabia, Bahrain and Algeria. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will chair a meeting of the Council of Ministers on 4 June at 4:30 p.m., the first after India launched Operation Sindoor in retaliation to the Pahalgam terror attack. Yes, viewers, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is slated to meet with members of the multi-party delegation dispatched to 33 countries for diplomatic outreach following the Pahalgam terror attack and Operation Sindoor's launch. The meeting is expected to occur in New Delhi on June 9 or 10. This delegation comprising MPs from various parties, senior leaders and session diplomats engage the international community to present India's stance and garner global support against terrorism. The upcoming meeting will brief the Prime Minister on key developments including high-level meetings, strategic discussions and global responses to the Pahalgam attack and India's counter-terror efforts. In a notable display of unity, 7 delegations were sent to abroad, each led by a prominent parliamentarian, with Shashi Tharoor of Indian National Congress, Ravi Shankar Prasad of Bharatiya Janata Party, Sanjay Kumar Jha from Janata Dal United, Bajrang Panda from BJP, Kani Moji from Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, Supriya from Nationalist Congress Party, Shrikant Eknath Shinde from Shiv Sena. The Prime Minister will be informed about the visit, outcomes and global responses to India's message on terrorism, national security and regional stability. Notably, a delegation led by Vijayant Panda met External Affairs Minister Jay Shankar to brief him on their visits to Saudi Arabia and Algeria. Additionally, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will share a Council of Ministers meeting tomorrow at 4:30 p.m. the first since Operation Sindur's launch in response to the Pahalgam terror attack. That's all for now. For further updates, keep watching My News Any.